The simplest way to create a set would be using curly brackets in the following way. Here I create a set that includes 5 values. Here I create a set that includes four values. Now, if we want to check whether a specific value exists in a set, we just need to use the in keyword. For example, if Dave in set A, then Dave is inside set A will be printed out to the screen. Now let's execute this code sample, and just as expected, if I write tally, then I expect nothing to be printed, just as expected. Using minus, we can get the difference between two sets. Here, set C is assigned with a new set that holds all values that set A includes that are not exist in set B. So if we execute this code sample, we get a new set with the values Daniel, Moshe, and Rami, the three texts that exist just in set A and do not exist in set B. This is the meaning of minus operator over here. In order to get a new set, which is the union of two sets that already exist, we just need to use this operator. Now, if we check what we have in set C, we shall get a set that includes all values that we can find in set A and in set B. A simple union of the two sets into a new one, a bigger one. As you can see, values cannot repeat themselves. Even if I try, it won't happen. Here, for example, we get a set with one occurrence of the string oren, not two. We can see that if we just try to print set A. As you can see, oren is shown only once. We can easily check whether one set is a subset of the other or a superset of the other. Here in this code sample we have two sets, set A and set B, and here I check whether set A is a subset of set B. Here I check whether set A is a superset of set B, meaning that all elements in set B exist in set A as well. And in addition, of course, there can be more other elements. Set A is superset of set B. Now, when I try to execute, none of these statements were printed to the screen. So set A is not a subset of set B, and set A is also not a superset of set B. That's because if we check over here the elements, you can find that Dina cannot be shown, is not in set A, is only in set B. So let's add here Dina as well as Avram. Now if we take a look at the output, you can see that set A is indeed a superset of set B, which means that every element in set B exists also in set A.